Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I'm looking at the Siaviala P6 laptop screen extender. It's a 14-inch full HD screen, and it fits on laptop sizes 13 to 17.3 inches. I can't wait to unbox it, so let's get right to that. Very nice. Separate shipping box from the product box. Okay, here's what we got. Don't want to give yourself a cardboard paper cut. All right, the Siaviala P6. It's got 1920 by 1080 resolution, 14 inches, 60 hertz, 300 nit brightness, and it has low blue light and the IPS viewing angle, wide viewing angle, I should say. It can mirror the laptop display, or it can be extended. It can also be in a portrait mode separately. Okay, we got the user manual. Connection guide and kind of quick setup. And here is the unit itself. Wow, very compact and light. Very nice. And so you just separate those to fit the different sized laptops. It's got some rubber stoppers here to help prevent scratching. And it also has a kickstand, and it's adjustable. Oh, wait, it's locked. Oh, okay, yeah, you can lock it into different places. And then this helps save your laptop screen from too much weight. That's very cool. And we've got a USB-A to USB-C cable. Mini HDMI to regular HDMI cable. So if your laptop doesn't have USB-C, you can hook this to the screen and that to your USB-A port, and then hook the HDMI to the screen, the mini, and that to your regular HDMI port to get power. And then you have the USB Type-C cable, and it's full featured, so it'll drive the power from the laptop and do everything. Yeah. And that's it. No power adapters because it's completely powered off of your laptop and the cables. So that's cool. Very good for portability. So yeah, it can be rotated 180 degrees. It can also be used in portrait mode. and using this as a stand, and then the cable just comes off of there onto your laptop, and you got the nice portrait mode extra screen, which is cool. You can mirror the laptop display, or it can be extended. Yeah, do not squeeze. And then, it's got a protective film on it. USB-C, mini HDMI, USB-C again. It's got it all, full featured. And it has a nice carbon fiber look to it. I like that. It can be used with multiple OSs, Linux, Mac OS, Windows. It can even be used separately. You could use this as a stand and play some Switch or Xbox or any of the handhelds. Anything with a USB-C port or HDMI port, as long as the unit comes with a, if you have to use the HDMI, it has to come with a USB-A port for it to be powered off of it anyway. Okay, let's go hook it up to a laptop and let's see what we can do with it. Anyway, I have my M5 MacBook Pro here. Oops. And it's 14-inch, of course. Oop. There we go. Okay. Here's the screen. And plug into one of these USB-Cs on the MacBook Pro M5. And then let's go into that one right there. P6. Okay, wow. Already in. Already working. Sweet. See how easy it was to set up? That was cool. Okay, I hope you can see this good enough. Oh, can't get the mouse cursor over that way, so we're gonna have to go to settings. Okay, talk about handy having a second screen for a laptop while you're on the go. And it's fully on battery power right now. You can change it to main display. You can change it to extended. And mirrored. So you got both on both screens. Okay, now let's arrange. See, hold option down. Put it over here so that the mouse glides between the two seamlessly. There we go. Yeah, it's awesome. It gives us plenty of options. I have the resolution too high on that too. So we go back to settings and to displays. And let's turn that to 1080 how it's supposed to be. Very good. Okay, that's way better. And then there's for that, and there's for that. 60 hertz. ProMotion over here. Okay, now that we have the monitor set up right, from the mouse cursor can flow from right to left and left to right. And we have the resolution set to 1080. And it is in extended mode. That's my favorite mode. And let's go to YouTube. And just go to some random channel. And then, as you can see, the color is really nice. You can adjust brightness right there. And welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley. And today we're looking at... I will mute myself. Okay, and then... There, now I can go somewhere else. Yeah, browse on that side, watch something on that side. You know, it's an extended monitor experience. Very handy. I could take this to a coffee shop, lay it out on the table. Oh no, we need to do some work. So we will pull up numbers, and we got ourselves a spreadsheet over here and some dude's video over here. Okay. Yeah, that's how you work. Okay, I've got pages up, and then over here I have Geekbench. Can run a CPU benchmark and write a noddle over here. So, yeah, as you can see, it's very nice to have, especially when you're on the go or even at home. I mean, heck, you don't want to hook to one of your bigger monitors or don't have a bigger monitor. This thing is an extreme value. It performs very well. I love the picture on it. It's crisp. Or if we want to switch, the Geekbench over here, pages over here. Neato. Okay, let's say you're doing a report on what happened on November 2nd. And I can just move it over here. And of course, open up pages and document. Okay, there we go. Anyway, if I wanted to copy some stuff that was happening over here and I want more showing, then I'm going to try something. Very carefully. And see the cord's long enough. Oops, I forgot the kickstand though. You don't want to forget the kickstand. So I just twist that and put that away. Okay. Oops. Kick the camera. But yeah, we don't want it looking quite like this. So we want to go to Settings, Display again. P6. Rotation. No, we don't want 180. 190. Oops. No, we want a full 270. There we go. Wow, earn your degrees. This is ultra cool because and it leaves the orientation the same, so the mouse goes the right direction. Oh yeah, see, that's one of my favorite things to have on my desk is a portrait mode and two regular screens. It's a good setup. This way I can copy all kinds of stuff while I'm doing my report on what happened on November 2nd. And it looks like a lot of stuff happened on November 2nd. Wow. Okay. And then, yeah, you just November 2nd, blah, 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 blah. That is a cool feature. All right. I have the Great American Novel to write now, and I'm going to use this. This is the ultimate tool for when you're out and about. I mean, you can be a coffee shop warrior or a student, just take it out on one of the cafeteria tables and do your homework. You got the, internet on one side, you got your word processor on the other. Really makes it handy. This is a great device, and I can't believe I haven't owned one before. There are so many uses for it. It's awesome. I'd like to thank the good people over at Siaviala for sending me this screen extender and letting me play with it and see what I've been missing. I mean, I have been missing this while I'm, out and about in the world. So it's great. Great addition to any laptop. And I would like to thank my viewers and subscribers. And if you like what you see, please click like and subscribe. And if you want to know when my next video is out, please click the bell button. And I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.